Mexico. Thailand? Oo, Thailand brand. Ano din
I can find it's wonders to make you stay.
Yan daw mga Pilipin na kuha na yun. Punta nung ganun.
Just a second when I'm broken this bed, and we can learn to love again. Sorry, I didn't.
Oh my God, what's this drink?
It's your drink.
It's my drink? Non-alcohol, right?
Merry Christmas. Alcohol free.
Alcohol free, okay. That sounds good. Leonardo is very happy, don't give it to him.
If I sing you a love song.
What she wants? I'm just focusing over here on this table. My all attention 100% only on this table.
When we were young, when we were young, when we were young.
Aji ko Thailand ko na yung mas Mexico. Thailand? Oo, Thailand brand. Yung nagagasang balat. Yung kalag garlicky.
Who want Coke and Fanta? Right.
Royal. Ewan ko.
Right?
Royal.
Okay.
Good for me. Ayan.
Masha boss, what's your feedback? How oftenly you will celebrate this kind of Merry Christmas? So, what do you like to say? Anything?
I love Jesus. Happy birthday, Jesus. God bless us all.
Okay, thank you so much. Hamza, you want to say anything on the Christmas? No comments? Yeah, what do you say about on this occasion?
Merry Christmas to all.
Okay, thank you so much, and same to you. Merry Christmas. But why do you call this Merry Christmas?
Mary, happy eating. I'm Mary because I'm happy eating every day.
So for me only, I'm just curious about only this food. So only for me that this is enough for me. So thank you so much for the guys. Yeah, small dinosaur.
This
And
is
this is
the
the-
egg of the dinosaur.
Oh my God, that's good. We can make it jumbo, more closer. And this one is jumbo. The fish comes from this egg. Okay.
It's a cake.
And we have plenty of our drinks. We have soft drink. We have non-alcoholic and alcoholic. So when we are going to attack now? Still we have to wait? So where are the people?
Where are the people? Let's eat now. Feeding all.
There are somebody is coming on the way.
Feeding bunny bed. And then
Where are the glasses? Okay, glasses over there.
listen, I'm alone at the crossroads.
Aywa.
I'm at home in my own home. And I try.
Concert.
It was in my mind. You should have known all
to